guys, once again welcome to my video. I'm Unconventional Passionss and hope you enjoy this video because I'm going to find Vietnamese food just right beside NUS, and I think it just opened and it's like a wall in a hole in the wall Vietnamese street food kind of food restaurant, yeah, food store. So come along with my food hunt and hope you enjoy, as well as other foods around the area in NUS as well. Do remember to subscribe to my channel Unconventional Passionss, even as I bring you more hidden gems and hidden food places and also hiking in Singapore, so that please stay safe out there and also hike more and also eat more. Let's go! So I was from NUS last time, and I still remember every time during lunchtime, during break time, I would come here to have a good nasi lemak. And so last time there used to be a Chinese food restaurant, and it was very good. So let's see how things change now. So this is the shop houses that I said, and nasi lemak that is very famous. They have other stuff here as well, like Thai food. Guys, this is the banh mi. They only have one type, which is chicken. I don't know if you can hear the crunch. So there's like chili and then chicken inside. Gale corn. I don't know, spring roll. Made into a spring roll, like a summer roll, and very worth it, I think. Good. Super crispy. So let's try this spring roll. It's a hole in the wall because they have very good Vietnamese food. The chili sauce is also very good. The $7 for this too is super good, worth it. Super authentic. So made by a Vietnamese, and it's a Muslim and Halal place as well. So do support them at Clementi Road, this row of shop houses just right beside Pasir Panjang and NUS. Thank you. Do subscribe to my channel Unconventional Passionss, even I will bring you more content. Stay safe out there and God bless you.